What's good, man? It's Antbeatz. This video go out to all the producers out here fighting copyright claims to their own beats. You know what I'm saying? As a result of selling beats online and selling beats on YouTube, artists come through and they might try to monetize their whole song like it's theirs, like their own exclusive rights. Um, so I just want to show y'all an easy way y'all can go in and take these, remove these claims and get the song removed from YouTube Content ID. Now, in the link, in the description, I'll leave a link where you can download this little email template I made. Basically, what I send out to all the distributors when I get clients in my videos. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically telling them that the artist is an artist claiming your video using your instrumental without their permission, without your permission. They don't have any rights, and asking them to remove it from the YouTube Content ID program and just remove it, remove the claim as well. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just add your name of the video in there, add your link to the video, and put the artist's name that it's claimed by and what distribution company is claiming it. And then you just add your signature at the bottom. It could just be a written out digital signature. That's fine. But yeah, man, you just basically just send these emails out to the companies. Just like this email right here, I sent out to TuneCore. You send that out, and they get right back to you, and they remove the song from the YouTube Content ID and take the claim away from your video. But yeah, that's basically it, man. You don't really have to. You don't really have to do too much, you know what I'm saying? This is basically it. If you do run into any other problems, feel free to hit me up and try to get that removed, man. Get that claim off so you can start monetizing your stuff. And what I suggest y'all do in the future for future references is sign up to one of these networks, because I'm currently signed to Create Music Group. And they monetize my channel for me, and they really good at getting the revenue from anybody that's using your songs, anybody that's stealing your work. What they will do is go in and monetize their work and pay you the money since they stealing. You know what I'm saying? That works good. It's not 100%, but it is a good asset to have when you fighting, you know what I'm saying, against these copyright claims and stuff. But yeah, man, I'm Antbeatz, man. Feel free to reach out, hit me up if you got any questions. Stay tuned, I'm out.